Yo, today is the day I finally got a new heat press. Um, Based off my saying that you can get good stuff from anywhere, I bought a heat press from AliExpress because I needed a new heat press. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this thing is, everybody knows this one, ACV Rant, whatever, blah 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 blah. It's 15 inches, all right, and most of the things I print, not most, I like to print as big as I possibly can, and this is a problem. Mostly because of the design and the fact that when you're doing like stuff like hoodies, this thing here is a problem. All right, so, and also my fan, the little fan up in here is making these weird noises. I was going to see if I can replace it. I am probably going to try to replace it, see if I can get rid of that horrible noise. Let me turn it on. Yeah, that's what it's doing. I hope that noise came through, but it's loud and it does go away eventually. And it's a fan, and I think the bearing in the fan's going bad. I was going to see if I can just replace it, find a different fan, and put it in there. Um, but because I need a bigger heat press, I figured I'd just replace it and call it a day. So here's a new one. That's the new one still in the box. I'm not going to do no unboxing nonsense. I'm just going to take it out and put it up there because that's my new press station. I'm going to take it out of the box and put it up there, and then I'm going to compare it, and we shall go from there. So give me a minute. Again, this is, they're going to go and prove me right or wrong. And if you watch the Disney movie Ratatouille, I hope I pronounced that name properly, Ratatouille. If you remember, they said the saying go, anyone can cook, but not anyone can be a great artiste. Well, that's where that I kind of got some of that saying from. A good product can come from anywhere, no matter where, but not everybody takes pride in their work to make it great. So I'm gonna test this heat press I got, and hopefully, I had a company that take great pride in their work, and I got it from AliExpress. So we're gonna see if this that saying is actually true. I mean, it's, again, I can just probably get one of the bad ones, or a bad company that made a bad product. Either way, same difference. Hope you understand what I'm saying. So that's kind of what I'm going with. You know, a good thing can come from anywhere, and I want to see how good this product is. I need one. I don't have. Let me really explain. I need one. I don't have $2,000, $1,500, $800, whatever them numbers are. Yeah, I ain't got that kind of money. So I got to stick within my budget, and hopefully these people make a product well enough within my budget that I can recommend to you, so you don't have to spend them god awful amounts of money to buy something that, honestly, it just putting transfers on a shirt. Let's be real, it's nothing special. I don't need all the pneumatic nothing. If you have a business and you're pumping out a lot of stuff, then yeah, you might need that stuff. But for me, who's doing a one shirt here and a one shirt there and a two shirt here and a three shirt there, I don't need all that other fancy stuff. Okay, I don't have that much stuff to do. And if I ever get the chance to do more stuff, then, and I end up having enough money to buy a better one, then yeah, maybe I will. But right now, I can't afford that stuff. So let me stop talking. Hold on. All right, finally got it up. Instructions. I'm not gonna read none of this stuff. It's really simple. You know, machine can print one blah 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 fiber blah 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 blah. You can read, if you get one, you can read it. All right. So, first impressions. It looks good. It really looks good. Like they took their time to build this thing. It really does look nice. This seems like good quality metal. Has a pneumatic pump on both, pneumatic cushion on both sides, so that's nice. I don't know if I can adjust them. Yeah, they don't look like they can be adjusted for pressure. In other what pressure I'm talking about, when it pops up, it don't just shoot up. It kind of takes time and go up. It don't look like you can adjust that, which is, I mean, it's fine for what I paid for it. You can't expect much. Let me turn this light on. There we go, more light. Those pneumatic pumps, there's 2 of them, so that's actually that actually is nice that they have 2 of them here. The casing, yeah, this actually it really looked like they did a decent job. I'm not gonna lie. Now, looking like they did a decent job and doing a decent job is 2 totally different things. Okay, let's get that out of the way. It looks nice, but is it gonna hold up? And it looked like somebody over tightened that screw right there. So it looked like somebody over tightened that screw. It just popped right out. Not a big deal. Okay, not a deal breaker. Let's turn it back. Let's turn so we can take a better look at that. Yeah, it looked like somebody just over tightened that screw, or it hit something. And it looked like it's not. These things look like they're on little plastic knobs in here, and it looked like the knob broke off when they tightened this, or it must have got a hit on something. Yeah, it looked like it got hit somewhere. So it looked like it got banged. Sorry, so it looked like it got banged right in here, and it just broke that piece off. Again, not a deal breaker. Let's turn it on. See, not a deal breaker. It comes on. As long as it comes on, that's fine. I'm not gonna sweat the small stuff. All right, so past QC. I'm not exactly sure how that passed QC, but whatever, it is what it is. Again, I think I paid $300 and something for this thing. All right, so I paid $300 and something for it on AliExpress. That included shipping, so the whole thing came to my door for $300 and something. Hey, I'm not gonna complain. Okay, not gonna complain. And boom, look at that. It closed. No fighting it, no banging on it. It closed and it runs. Woo! Yes! That's what I'm looking for, okay? That's what I'm looking for, all right? I don't care who you are. It popped up by itself. So push it down. It locks. It's a semi-automatic heat press. So if I hit this button, I think it said when I hit, oh my goodness, this light's so bright. Let me turn that light off. All right. So if you hit this button here, it pops open. Oh, that's so gratifying. Oh, wow. I bought Teflon sheet for this. Look at this. There's a Teflon sheet. Oh, if you can see it, there's a Teflon sheet on here already. So I didn't even have to, look, let me show you something. I purchased Teflon sheet, the Teflon wrapper thing, right there. See that? To go on here, I'm gonna put it. I have to put it down here, obviously, because these things just love to flip and move, and I hate that about these things. So I'm gonna put the Teflon thing here, but I don't have to put one here. That is awesome. I love that, man. See. Now, this has nothing to do with durability. How long this thing will last is an entirely different ballgame. Okay? That's totally different from what I'm doing here. What I'm doing is checking out how this thing is built. If I like it or if I don't like it, blah, 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 blah. Show you the build quality, issues you can run into. But, hey, I'm not going to lie. It looks like it was built properly. It really did. It really does look like it's built properly. Look like they took some good materials and put in here. Apart from the back, like I showed you, that's just damaged. The rest of it seems fine. I mean, you can't get perfect. I mean, no, come on. I paid $300 for this thing. Boom! Look at that. Pops up by itself. I love that. That's the thing I love the most about this. Let me say it again. That feature where this just comes down and go up. Well, it don't come down by itself. You have to push the button for it to start. But it pops up by itself, which is exactly what I wanted. Still wanted that automatic up feature. It just goes up by itself, and I don't have to sit there and wonder if I'm still pressing my shit. This does it too. $300 some. I'm thinking it's like $400 I paid for this thing. Yo, Yo, I'm going to be using the crap out of this thing. I'm going to keep y'all up to date on how this thing works out, but let me put some more stuff. I'm gonna put this on and show you what I mean. And I might just put the other one on just for shits and giggles since I have it. I might just put it on just to protect this because it's white. And I love to protect this, but see these it's moving around. I mean, I guess that's just normal. Yeah, because right there, that's the only connection point it has is right there. Again, I don't know much about these heat press things. This is the first one I got. Some have like another piece to hold it steady so it don't rock around like this, but I guess they're doing it. I don't know. I don't know. Pulling shit out of my ass here. All right. And they have a little help. I guess this helps stabilize it so it don't swing around. I guess that's what this is. Yeah, because if you left it alone, it just kind of just turns. And I think that's what this just stops it from moving around. And oh, you just screw it in, screw it out. So you just turn it around. All right. I'll run with that. And then the drawer. The drawer is supposed to come out. Give me a second. Because the drawer is supposed to come out. This is supposed to be on a drawer. Did I not unlock it? Ah, there it is. There it is. See, it's in the drawer. There it is. Supposed to slide out like that. I gotta back up, Shorty. See, the drawer pops out. That is awesome. It's just a little stiff. Over time, it will get softer. But see, the drawer comes out. Plus, I might have to put this on a thing where the whole the table's so slippery that this just slides. I might have to like lock it in the back of the wall or something, so when I pull on it, the whole heat press won't go with it, and lock that in place. Man, I am absolutely loving my press right now. I'm hoping I'm praying it lasts, because it looked like it will last. I'm just hoping it actually does. Again, a good product can come from anywhere. Okay? And this looked like a good product. I'm hoping it actually lasts, because again, looking good don't mean it is good. So, let me put these things on, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like with all that extra stuff on here. And again, this has a Teflon sheet already. The second one won't matter, but I'm gonna put it on, show you. Give me a minute. Okay, as you can see, there it is. That's the heat press cover. That's the name of it. This one, oh my god, that was a pain in the ass to put it on, because it's literally just a perfect fit. So you have to like stretch it to get it on here. It was a little fight to get it on, but as you can see, it's on both top and bottom. And now this thing is ready for the hotness. Okay, a measurement times. All right, and the heat press name is, hold on. I don't know. There is no name. It's in Celsius. I don't know how to change it to Fahrenheit. And honestly, at this point, it really doesn't matter. As long as it works, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. That's the size right there. Okay, that's the size right there. And it's 40 centimeters by 60 centimeters. I think the working area is 38 by 38. I don't know. This is just all right. But there it is. It's done. Set up. And I'll bring you videos of me. I'm gonna like little snippet updates of me pressing stuff. I have high hopes for this thing. High hopes. And I hope it don't let me down. Alright. Peace! Oh. P.S. The one feature this thing has that this thing doesn't is auto shut off. I'm gonna see if I can get a hold of the company, because there's like stuff in here. I'm gonna see if I can get a manual for this, because there's like programming settings you can set in here. I'm gonna see if I can find out what settings are in here. See if this thing has an auto shut off, that'd be awesome. I'm gonna look more into it, because this has an auto shut off feature, and I really like that. I can walk away from it and it will shut off on its own. That's like one of the best thing I like about this. The only thing I don't, the two major issues I have with this one is obviously the size of this bed. And back in here, that to me is utter deal breaker. I don't know who designed this thing, but they need to come up with again. Like I said in my video before. This needs to be back here. This opening needs to at least be back where this piece is. All right, just it needs more space in between here, between there. It needs a lot more space. All right, that's my issues with that HTV run. But this one now, I cannot wait to give this a full run through of all this work because I just love that. I love that. And then I have to wait for this to, I gotta wait for this to wear itself in. That's gonna take some time. But as you can see, it slides. Love that. All right. Again, sorry. Peace.